How to fix voicemail notification won't go away in Samsung F36. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on it and then scroll down and click on phone app and then click on storage usage. Now here you can clear the data of phone app. After clear the data of phone app, then go back and click on general management and click on reset. Now click on reset network settings and then click on reset settings. After reset the network settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After restart your device, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.